God wants to use all of us to tell the world the good news about his son, Jesus. A great way to tell kids this story is by using Jenga blocks or dominoes. So do you see this guy? He's really happy because he's heard the good news about Jesus, and he wants to go and tell the whole world about Jesus. But that would be a little bit impossible to tell the whole world with just one person. But if this guy was to tell one person, and they told somebody else, and that person told somebody else, we could create a chain reaction. And eventually this guy over here, he's really sad because he doesn't know about Jesus. But if everybody tells one person, eventually he will know about Jesus. Now, sometimes we might feel a little bit scared and we don't want to tell somebody about Jesus. Or what if they laugh at me? But if we think like that, we're creating gaps in the chain, and then not everybody will hear about Jesus. But God is so good, and he will give you the courage and the strength and the words and everything else you need to tell that person about his son. And eventually, the whole world will know about Jesus.